HOLT CAT is a family-owned Caterpillar heavy equipment and engine dealer with 28 stores across Texas. HOLT's Lewisville location carries the full line of CAT compact loaders, both new and used, and provides sales, rental, parts, and service for the full line of CAT equipment. The new D-Series skid steer, compact track, and multi-terrain loaders feature a completely redesigned cab with first-in-class features, a new lift arm design for improved sightlines and increased engine performance. Operating capacities range from 1,800 pounds all the way up to 4,650 pounds. The CAT 3.3-liter engine provides 74 horsepower with 8% more torque and 6% improved fuel economy compared to previous models. The CAT 3.8-liter engine in the largest models produces 98 gross horsepower for the 272D and 110 net horsepower for the 272D XHP. Established in 1933, HOLT is the only Caterpillar dealer in the world with a rich heritage dating back to Benjamin Holt, who developed the Caterpillar tractor in 1904. HOLT operates by a set of core business values that guide how employees interact with both customers and each other. Click to visit HOLT's Lewisville location for more information.